Hello, this is my new video with the bunnies. So, the bunnies, kind of like, here's one. She kind of likes me. See my hand? She lets me pet her sometimes. And she's really nice. But not all of them are very nice. Like that one, scared them. See, look. They run away. So, there's also some bunnies that are about to be mamas. So, here is Jenny. Here is, we don't have a name for her. And also we have two, wait, actually, no, I can show you my baby bunny we found. There's like a very lot. Like, they're not like 6, they're like 9 or 10. I don't know. There's a lot though. Here's one of them, and here's another. We think that this is the mama, but we're not sure. And I can show you the baby bunnies. And in a little bit, I'll feed the bunnies some carrots. Here's some baby bunnies. You can see that there's like a lot. And oh, wait a minute, let me get the carrots. And then I'll show you the ones that are in the greenhouse. Wait, actually, I haven't showed you the blue one. Kind of blue. Oh man, run away. Okay, I'm gonna get the carrot. Also, we have some new goats here. So, here we have Cupcake. Wait a minute. I don't know if you can see her good. So we got some new goats. There's Cupcake and Cookie Dough. That one with the black on its head over there, I don't know if you can see it real good, but that one right by the wire spool is Cupcake. And that one that's just like barely right there, that one is Sugar Cookie. No, Cookie Dough. There we go. That's how you pronounce it. And also, we got some, and from that one video where we had like a lot of turkeys, now we only have 3 white turkeys. But a lot of them just die. And we also have geese. Well, the geese were in my video that one time, but now they're big, very big. And some baby ducks. And the black one died, and that's very sad because it's my favorite. So wait a minute, I'm gonna get the carrots. Now I have some baby carrots. I can feed the bunnies. And you're probably gonna think it's so cute, because it actually is. And just so nice. So hold it and point it at the bunny. Point it this way. Right here. And point it at the bunny. You see it?
Wait a minute. I can't see it. Okay, there. Throwing, feeding it with the carrot. They really like carrots.
Yeah, they do.
And you should try it to some other bunnies, but not,
Wild ones.
yeah,
Wild ones would be very hard to catch.
yeah.
And they'll probably kick you.
What? But they're not tall enough to kick you.
Yes, they are. They could jump and kick.
But what if you catch a wild one?
Then they'll just... You hear them munching? There she took the carrot. Let's feed Jenny.
Okay.
The carrot. And here's some of the ducks.
Oh. We're going through the hide. And then maybe we're gonna get black. And there's Jenny.
Hey Jenny, I got a carrot treat.
She likes tasty, basty carrots.
Okay, put it up close. Put it up close.
Okay.
You can probably hear that munching. It's pretty cute.
And like and subscribe.
Yeah.
Or else you'll die. All the bunnies will die if you don't subscribe. Everyone on the world that watch has to subscribe. Or else this bunny will die.
Wait, let me get finished up with this carrot. I'll show you the other ones.
And I'll show you another one.
Actually, now it's that must have hurt. Okay, so now it's time. Sir, hold this. It's time to see the baby bunnies, the other ones that hopefully are alive. I haven't checked them in a while.
Because we have been at our grandma's house for a little bit.
Yeah. Look at them. There's some of them. A lot of them are over behind there. But this one sadly died. But these three are over here, just waiting for the mama to feed them. But they probably just got fed, so they're not probably very hungry. And also, I don't know, it's very much light in here. There's some other ones. This guy. Wait, that's a different color. Sure, that's like the bunny in the little bunny simulator game. It's like tan and white. There's a black one. There's like a gray one.
We're talking about another bunny.
Yeah. And here's a little turkey.
And the game we're talking about is Bunny Simulator.
Yeah.
It's pretty weird.
we
Kind of
we got it today and then we just played it a little bit. And we saw a bunny that looked like that. So that is the end of the video. Let's wrap it up so it won't be a 1 million minute long video. And please comment on that video what my gaming channel should be called. And please,
look at this bunny.
and please don't be so angry that I haven't made it yet, because I'm still trying to find stuff so I can make my gaming channel and figure out how to do it. And goodbye.